Imagine having an AI clone that can take your YouTube channel to the next level. With an AI tool called HeyGen, that's not just a dream, it's a reality. Join me in this video as I create my own AI clone. And is it really easy as it seems? Hi, I'm Irene Chan, and in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create an AI avatar that could make videos while you are sleeping. At least that's the idea. It's actually more simple than you think when you use an AI tool called HeyGen. And make sure to stay tuned at the very end because we've got an alternative for you that will allow you to consistently produce high-quality videos with or without AI. Let's get started. All right, so before we dive deep into how to create your own AI avatar using HeyGen, let's talk a little bit about what exactly HeyGen is. So HeyGen is an AI tool that allows you to create AI avatars to life. HeyGen allows you to create digital versions of yourself complete with the ability to mimic human expressions in speech. It also mimics your background in the video, creating an AI clone of your background as well. This makes it an ideal tool for creating a range of engaging video content, particularly for YouTube creators. Whether your channel focuses on gaming, education, storytelling, or other genres, HeyGen's custom avatars can be tailored to fit your theme and style, adding a unique and captivating element to your videos. So now I'm going to go ahead and upload the footage. You can actually record with your webcam and give it a quick try, but I found that actually recording myself on the script for a 2-minute video is much more straightforward, and then I can go ahead and upload the entire 2-minute video here. I did try this webcam just to see how I look and also to practice the speaking with pauses and lips closed in between. It's actually harder than I thought because usually when you talk, you don't really think about pausing and closing your mouth. You just talk and then pause naturally. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and upload the footage that I recorded. I'm gonna go ahead and browse local files, 2-minute recording. So when you upload your video, make sure that it's over 2 minutes because if it's just specifically 2 minutes, it wouldn't recognize that. At least that's what happened to me. So I will confirm that my face is visible at all times. You're looking directly into the camera. At least I think I am. There are pauses between sentences. I definitely tried to do that. The environment is well lit and quiet. I think it's well lit. It's the lighting that we want for our videos, and it's quiet as possible. I have toddlers, so yeah, I don't think I can retain that super quiet. The environment is well lit and quiet. Yeah, so I did my best to do that as well. This is the lighting that we usually do with our videos. And optional, I opt in to allow HeyGen to use my footage to optimize future AI models. So right now I'm not ready to do that, so I'm not gonna check that. So my footage looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and click that. You're one step away. To prevent misuse of technology, we just need to confirm the person in the video is you. Okay, I like that. In our other video, we actually did this, but for a voice with Descript. So make sure to watch that video. I, Irene Chan, hereby declare that I authorize HeyGen to use the footage of me to build a HeyGen avatar and use it in my HeyGen account. That seems reasonable. Okay, so it will take a few seconds to do that. Okay, your consent is good. Submit. So hopefully this actually works right away because it says create instant avatar and I don't have to wait another day for an approval. I'm pretty excited to see what my digital clone looks like. Your instant avatar is being created and will be ready in just a few minutes. Okay, just a few minutes. We will notify you by email when it is ready. Okay, so once you logged in and create your account, this is the dashboard for HeyGen. The instant thing that I like about HeyGen is its user interface. It's very clean, very easy to understand, and there are a few options actually to create your avatar. But in this video, we're only focusing on creating your own avatar. But very quickly, let's go ahead and discuss other options. So there is also a photo avatar wherein you can upload your photos. There's also a studio avatar wherein you create an avatar in the highest resolution possible, which is 4K avatar. And I think for our purposes, we don't need a studio avatar right now. And there are also avatar libraries that you can already use. So if you are not the face of your YouTube channel, for faceless YouTube channel, we also created a video for faceless YouTube channel. So go ahead and watch that. So this is another wherein it's actually not your face, but you can have an AI's face for your video. So there are many options here. I really actually like the Vera in jacket. Those are the options that you have for the avatars, and all you have to do if you pick here is actually provide the script for the avatar. All right, here we go. The video has finished processing, and I'm excited and nervous to see my AI clone. I'm seeing this one for the first time. Check it out. Congrats, your avatar is ready. How other companies utilize avatars. Okay. Hey, Irene Chan. Your instant avatar is ready. Feel free to create videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy. That's my avatar, and it's a bit robotic than I hoped, but it's freaky, right? I was able to clone myself. Now, all I have to do is kind of improve the way I'm recording. So I need to speak faster with less pauses in between. That way it sounds more natural. But yeah, that's not me talking at all. Wow, that is crazy. So I can go ahead and click redo and then provide my feedback, or I can start creating videos. So I think I'm just gonna redo it. So I went through the same process, but this time I just recorded 36 seconds. So when you upload a new footage, you actually have to record a consent again. So no matter what the result of this is, I'm gonna go ahead and create a new video just to see how it turns out. Irene, your avatar is ready. Feel free to create. Oh no, I made so many movements on this one. But yeah, I think it looks more natural. Yeah, I think it's more natural, and I'm gonna go ahead and start making my videos. I'm gonna go ahead and copy our blog post. So what I'm gonna do is copy our blog post here and use that as a script. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a Q&A video using the script from our FAQ section. I'm gonna go ahead and paste that and go to HeyGen and see how it goes. So when you are creating your videos, this is actually super easy. You have your avatar here, and you have that option to create a text script or an audio script. So in this case, I just copied and pasted our FAQ section, and I wanted to make an educational video about what is a fractional video editor. So right now it is processing. All right, so the video is ready. Let's go ahead and watch it. There. Your limit with a high number of video clients. Poor turnaround time, bad quality. Whoa, that's amazing. So yeah, that is my voice, and it does sound a little bit more natural than the one earlier. And I'm gonna go ahead and try the audio script. I'm gonna record an audio, and I'm gonna record the same exact script and see what's the difference. There's a ton of unlimited video editing companies out there. The truth is, you're limited in the fact many squeeze a high number of video clients per each editor, resulting in poor turnaround times and bad editing quality. So I'm gonna complete recording, confirm. So it's gonna process again, and then let's listen to the audio. There's a ton of unlimited video editing. All right. Okay, so now let's go ahead and listen to my video. There's a ton of unlimited video editing companies out there. The truth is, you're limited in the fact many squeeze a high number of video clients for each editor, resulting in poor turnaround time and bad editing. So that's how you add an audio script. Now I'm going to go ahead and go back to the text script, because most times it's much easier to just copy and paste a text from something that you already wrote. So I'm going to go ahead and submit this. So right now I'm just using the free version, so I'm going to use 1 credit for this video. Note that when you are actually testing the video, it doesn't give you the animation, it just gives you the voice. So one thing that you have to keep in mind when you have a free account is that you are actually in the queue. So right now I'm 66 in the queue, and that's one thing that you have to think about if you want your videos done instantly. So I'm pretty excited to hear and see the completed video. There are a ton of unlimited video editing companies out there. The truth is, you're limited in the fact many squeeze a high number of video clients per each editor, resulting in poor turnaround times and bad editing quality. We assign no more than 4 clients per each expert video editor, allowing edit times of at least 2 hours per day. This editing policy accomplishes 2 goals: maintains our high-quality editing standards, meets the video output requirements of most company customers. Need more video edits faster? Just purchase an additional editing account. All right, now that you've seen what HeyGen can do and how easy it is, to create your own avatar, let's talk about pricing. How much does it really cost for you to create your AI clones? So HeyGen offers a few plans to suit different content creation needs. Starting with a free plan, you get 1 credit, 1 instant avatar, and access to over 120 public avatars. And of course, a choice of 300 plus voices, perfect for occasional use. The creator plan at $29 per month is ideal for active YouTubers offering 15 credits, faster processing, up to 3 instant avatars, and the essential auto caption feature. For more demanding needs, the business plan at $89 per month provides additional credits, 4K resolution, and team collaboration options. However, for many YouTubers, the creator plan offers a great balance of features and affordability, making high-end AI technology accessible at a reasonable price. HeyGen is super easy to use, as you can see, but is it something that you see yourself doing consistently? Even though it's easy, it does mean that you'll have to spend time recording your AI avatars, creating the script, and turning that script into video. So it still takes a lot of setup time. So that's why we've got an alternative for you, which is called Vidpros. Vidpros is an on-demand video editing service ideal for YouTubers seeking polished, high-quality content. Vidpros caters to a range of editing needs from basic cuts to advanced effects. It also complements AI-generated content, like those from HeyGen, allowing further refinement and customization. Vidpros is about achieving professional broadcast quality videos at a fraction of the cost. So for more information on how Vidpros work, go to vidpros.com or click the link below the video. I hope after watching this video, you're now confident to try HeyGen and create your AI clone. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you like more AI tools, then make sure to watch our other playlists and subscribe to our channel. My name is Irene Chen, and I'll see you in the next video.